Bang! So guys, today is a very stressful day. It's raining hard outside. Yeah, it's flooding. So Gabaha! It's flooding, man. So let's take a bath first because I'm too smelly. So let's go! What's up, puppy bread? Today is the day that we've been waiting for because our parcel has arrived. We have a gift from
ZALORA.
We're going to unbox the gift from
ZALORA.
Let's go! Transition. So we're going to do some unboxing, and it's very easy to unbox because the box is already destroyed. We have a gift from ZALORA. This is not a sponsored video and promote their product, but they sent me a gift. Actually, guys, this is their gift. It's a hair dryer. It's a VS Sassoon foldable dryer, so it is very useful for our traveling soon. Next year, our travel vlogs, and it will become handy. So let's use this. Let's take a bath and let's see. Let's go. This transition is good. Let's go. So guys, we have a good hair though. I'm gonna finish this vlog by doing this. Bang is very common. So guys, if you have an idea, if you have some suggestions, what's the best outro or what's the best ending, so that next time I'll be using it. I will mention you in my video. Just comment below. Or just like a PewDiePie, just like Kong TV, feed out. So let's do that again. Feed out. So that's all for today. This is Godfrey Academia. Bang!